Okay, on this one, I am, see on the right side, attach right pedal number 06R to the right pedal to number 39 and secure them together using two hex bolts number 22 and two nylon bolt nuts number 27. So with this right here, what I'm doing, I've already put one in place right here to hold it. I'll put the second one in place, and let me see which way I want this one to go. I used to get this wrong, but anyway, I'm not. Okay, let me see now. Goes like this here. I'm going to put this one in place right there, and then I'm going to put the other one over here. You have to excuse my big arms. I know they're big. I'm not worried about that. Got to make sure that these okay. I'm going to tighten this right here. And take this here. You know, it's been a while since I've did things like this. Let me switch on this side. Hold on, it's my back. I have to make sure they're all right before I tighten anything, because I don't want to get up and take them out again. This is just, it's a project that I'm doing. Now some of you are faster, but I'm not concerned about anybody being better. This is something that I enjoy doing, and I have to take my time doing it. If I don't, it would be a disaster. It's a little bit different right here. Try this here. I got everything over here. Got to get the right thing to, okay, tighten this up. I think this is better, this one here. I can't get it to stay on here. Yeah, this is better for it to be flat right up. Don't y'all come for me, because I don't look like I know what I'm doing. Anyway. Okay. Let me get this here. in there. Oops, I don't want to over tighten it. Let's see, this nut. Right. Okay, got that one in. With any assembly, you got you try to make sure that I got everything going in the correct direction, because that could be dangerous. But also too, you got to go back and take everything off and redo it. That's one reason why I have to just read the instructions and make sure I understand them before I start anything. Okay. Now that was going in crooked, so I don't want anything going in crooked. Whoa, let's see, do it again. Yeah. So can't get a grip on this. Ooh. Achieve it. See if I can. I got to learn how to edit my videos so I can edit some of this stuff, these steps out. It keeps going crooked. Okay. We say simply done. Yeah, I'm going to make mistakes on here, yes, but got to make sure that I'm doing everything the right way, because I was better at this a few years back, because I would do it more often than I do now. Come on. Okay, got that side over there. I'm not going to show the other side. What I'm going to do, I'm going to go put the other pedal on that side over there. Then I come back and do the smaller pedal right here on this side. So I'm not going to record that on that side.